Welcome back, everybody. I have to make this quick short, which seems like all I can do on YouTube. I don't understand what the deal is. But I've seen a lot of question on the Uber, Lyft pages, rideshare pages about, do you need an air conditioning, or is it just for comfort rides? Well, I know I really can't remember from 7 years ago what the terms of service is exactly, but why would it matter if it wasn't in the terms of service? If it's 93 degrees at 10 minutes to 5 here in southeast Missouri, and the heat index is well over 108, probably closer to 110. So my question is why would you want to offer a ride in your car without an air conditioning? Why would you want to ride in your car without air conditioning in this extreme heat? Now, if you're in an area it's 75, 80 degree highs with no humidity, pretty nice breeze blowing, why not? Why not offer it up and then a passenger asks for it? Fine. Drive. As long as you don't get complaints, knock yourself out. But I'm just not, I guess, getting the concept of all the questions that I've seen in the last 24 hours about, do you need a working AC in the car? Sometimes I feel like those drivers are the reason and why our tips and everything is going down. Let me know what you think. Appreciate all the subs. Appreciate everything. We'll see you in the next one.